But most people think in the here and now. So if you tell someone in the healthcare sector, which is a growing sector, that things used to be a lot worse there and things are getting better, there's more employment, this is a growth industry, but they don't see it that way because they're earning 15,000 quid a year, they're having a tough time. So you're going to have to refer back to a time in their lives or their parents' lives which they're just not in touch with emotionally.
Well, that's not exactly right. The idea that populism comes from people who are reflecting on their own life circumstances and are angry about it is not quite right, because polls show that most people in the United States and in Britain are actually pretty happy with their lives. However, if you ask them about everyone else's life, they think, oh my God, the country is going down the tubes. My kids' schools are, it's pretty good. The nation's schools, oh my God, they're a disaster.
So how do you explain that? I mean, you're a professor of psychology. How do you explain the fact that we're, even if we're not miserable, we think we're miserable on other people's behalves?
Oh, well, a lot of it is the portrait of society that people get from the media. There are certain features that are almost built into conventional journalism that are bound to give a distorted picture of the world. First of all, the fact that bad things can happen quickly, good things aren't built in a day. As Max Roser, the economist at Oxford, puts it, the papers could have had the headline, 137,000 people escaped from extreme poverty yesterday, every day for the last 30 years. But they never had that headline, with the result that 1.25 billion people escaped from extreme poverty in our lifetimes, and no one knows about it. And if you ask people in polls, has extreme poverty globally gone up, gone down, or stayed the same, the vast majority of people say that it's gotten worse. And the fact is, it's gotten better by a lot. So this is a major fact about the world. Some development economists say this is the most important fact in human history, that billions of people have been lifted out of poverty in just 3 decades. And no one knows about it.